Hi, it's Katie with Flippity Doodah. About to send this out. This is a vertical record player, and we got it at a pawn shop for $200, but we did not realize that it was broken. Normally, if it was not broken, you could get about between $700 and $800 for these, but since it is broken, but still usable, we did get $485 for it. So this is actually a pretty cool system. So be on the lookout for these things. They're actually really worth, if you can get it at a good deal, it's really worth the flip.